Hi everyone, welcome to the class. In this class, we shall learn the power rule of logarithms. What is the power rule of logarithms? Log x raised to the power of n base a is equal to n into log x base a. That means here logarithm of a number with exponent n, logarithm of a number with an exponent n is equal to the product of the exponent and the logarithm of the number. This is the meaning of this power rule. Now let us prove this rule. To prove this rule, let a comma x be positive real numbers where a is not equal to 0 and a is not equal to 1. Then m also, let us take one more number m, any real number and m is not equal to 0 and here x not equal to 0, x greater than 0. Then here if x is equal to a to the power of m, if x can be written as a to the power of m, this is the exponential form. We can write its logarithmic form. Then logarithm of x, this number with base a is equal to m. This is the logarithmic form and this is exponential form. We know it clearly. If x is multiplied n times itself, it becomes x to the power of n. Then a to the power of m also multiplied n times. If x is multiplied n times, then a to the power of m also multiplied n times. If x is multiplied itself n times, it becomes x to the power of x into x into x into x, like that. It becomes x to the power of n times. Similarly, a to the power of m also multiplied n times, because x is equal to a to the power of m itself n times. That is equal to a to the power of m whole to the power of n. A to the power of m whole to the power of n. Now let us take this equality. X to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m whole to the power of n. This means a to the power of m into a to the power of m into a to the power of m n times. N times means a to the power of m whole to the power of n. So this is equal to x to the power of m a to the power of m into n, mn. Exponent of a to the power of m is n. Therefore, this is equal to a to the power of m whole to the power of n. Here, if we clearly observe here, this is a number. This is a number, and this is base, and this is exponent. So if we write this one in the logarithmic form, you will get logarithm of this number x to the power of n is base a is equal to mn. Mn means m into n. Logarithm of x to the power of n base a is equal to mn. Here m is equal to what? We know what is m. M is equal to log x base a into here n. So this n should be written in the first factor, n into logarithm of x base a. So we can conclude that logarithm of x to the power of n base a is equal to here n into logarithm of x base a. That means logarithm of exponent of a number is equal to the product of the exponent and logarithm of the number. This is the proof of this equation. By using this, we can write some numbers which are in the exponential form. Example, here is an example. Logarithm of 3 to the power of 5 base 3. So this 5 can be written as coefficient of this logarithm, 5 into logarithm of 3 base 3. So here 5 into logarithm of 3 base 3 is equal to 1. Logarithm of a number to the same base 1. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So the value of logarithm of 3 to the power of 5 base 3 is equal to 5. Logarithm of x to the 20 to the power of 5 base 2 can be written as, this 5 can be written as exponent. Exponent can be written as coefficient of the logarithm, on the right the number as it is. Now this is the conversion. So logarithm of x to the power of n base a is equal to this n into log x base a. Okay.